So today is Saturday finally. I was planning for to film a lookbook sana today because it is so bright and sunny. But since it's so, I feel like may kulang pa sa bibilihin ko. That would be a whole sana. So maybe I'll just schedule it tomorrow or I don't know because meron din akong plan na video na gagawin tomorrow. So aalis na muna kami ni Ruki. Ang ingay ni Father. Aalis na muna kami ni Ruki kasi I need to buy something for tomorrow's video. Hopefully sana nandoon meron pa. So yeah, come with me guys. First, we need to eat pa guys. Hindi pa ako nakakain. So, I'm just gonna, I don't know if wala kaming ulam. Wala kaming ulam pa. So, I don't know ba? Napay pan ba? Kain na muna ako ng pandesal because we have pandesal. Ayan si Baba. And coffee. Yeah. Mamaya na lang ako. Later na lang ako mag-rice siguro. Yeah. Yun na lang muna guys.
Naka-credit card sa Metrobank. Nasa kay bangko sa Metrobank. Basta ang ka ng credit card.
Email. Kailangan na sila email na email.
Ang kay Juan, kay...
Ako na, bayaran naman lang ako ano.
Pila kayo kung kukuan na kang...
Importa nga, sobra matismi. Sobra. Diyan, ano nga, diyan, buka lagi. Loy kayo ito.
Look at my cuties guys. Hi Mia! Molly! Nagpi-play. Bye-bye! Bye-bye girl! Bye-bye girl! Uy, kaluoy siya doon ng magil. Uy, kaluoy! So, I'm gonna show you my burn. I burned myself using the flat iron. I was curling my hair yesterday and ayan. It is so painful. Painful na painful. Grabe. Oh my God. Imagine that it will burst. Just came out from Cinderella Textile. Yeah, how did something? This is unsa to ni oy man unsa ni nga street? I don't know what street is this. It is the old koan. Tapos dito din yung dating SM Schumann. Wow, kaminaw. Sana ganito ang buhay. Nobody here. Yeah, dapat ganito yung ano. We're home guys. Wow. This is going to be a bad quality video. Yan ang ingay ni Maui. So me and Rocky got home from the textile. Saba textile. So yung binili ko is for yung comforter lang, hindi tapos yung pang pajama. Ayan. So I'm planning to buy some yung denim, pero not now kasi wala doon yung denim nasa malapit sa Carbon. So what is your problem? Hey, isa ka lang eh. Ano din na siya awi, uwi. Ano din ang awi na din na sumboy. Ano naman? Ha? What's wrong? So ito pala yung mga napamili ko guys from 138 tapos yan sa sa Carbon, tapos ito yung sa Cinderella Textile. Ayan yung mga dami kong kalat dito. So I'm just gonna eat some snack, tapos coffee, tapos yan Clover. This is Clover chips na barbecue flavor, and ito ding blueberry na blueberries and cream and blueberry cheesecake. Darker yung cookies ng cheesecake. Tapos ito, like, kain tayo guys! So guys, gagawa tayo ng milk tea kasi request ni Sashi gumawa tayo ng milk tea. So ito yung mga ingredients ng milk tea. So ito lang yung ingredients guys. Very simple. You can buy it anywhere. So ito yung ginagamit namin, yellow label na tea from Lipton. Ito lang yung yellow, hindi yung green. This is very cheap, like 170 pesos something. And then evaporated milk, this one, ang yung gagamitin natin is from, yung always ginagamit namin is from Angel na evaporada. And then I also cooked my sago already. And then, ano lang, very simple. You just going to need, yung sa akin, I'm using 4 bags of this one para intense talaga yung ano. Tapos, yan, 4 bags of this one. Ang hirap. I'm gonna get some hot water muna guys. So ayan, 4 bags of this one. And then I'm just going to pour some water, hot water. Ayan. And then I'm just going to let this soak in mga 1 minute para mag-fully talaga. Yung basta 1 minute or 3 minutes pala. According, I don't know how many sa instruction. Pero wala naman. Yeah, wala sa instruction. So, mga 2 to 3 minutes. So, I'm just going to put some sago first on my konti lang. Mga ganyan. And then, I'm gonna put some ice. Dapat maraming ice, guys. You can look kung makita ba po. Maraming ice. Hindi ka makita. Hindi ko makita. Pero, makita. We need a lot of ice kasi mainit yung ano, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng water. Mainit yung eto nga, mainit yung tea. Ayan, that much ice. And then we're just going to put our tea. Parang ano na, okay na to, mga nag-ano na siya. Then yung hot tea sa ice. Ouch! Ooh, be careful guys, it's so hot. And then, oh my god. I'm just going to squeeze the, ayaw nila. Mainit kasi. Oh, these bags. Make sure that your hands are clean. Obviously. Ang init. Oh my god. Yan, kasi may mga juices pa tong bags. Sayang. Yan. And then, katapos nyan, you need your milk. And then, wait a minute, I'm gonna get some kutsara. You also need pala, guys, condensed milk. Pero pag wala kang condensed milk, na lang, sugar. Ouch! Meron akong burn dito, ang hirap. Dai, can you open this? Yan, open. So, I'm gonna add a little condensed milk for sweetness. Mga ganito lang siguro. Not much. Pero kung wala nga, like I said, kung wala kayong condensed milk, kasi hindi din pwedeng condensed milk lang din yung i-add kasi masyadong matamis na. Konti lang. Ayan. So, if walang condensed milk, pwede na din yung brown sugar. Ayan, wala na tayong condensed milk, guys. Ayan. And then, I'm just going to stir this para mix yung then I'm just gonna taste it. Tastes so good. What's good about this one is that you make your own iced milk tea, is that you could adjust the sweetness of your milk tea. Like you can have it not too sweet, or if you want it to be really sweet, you can add a lot of condensed milk or brown sugar. So I like doing this at home compared to buying milk tea kasi ang mahal ng milk tea. This one would cost you like 110 something. And then mas marami pa to kaysa nandoon sa sa store. So yan. So here is our milk tea, guys. I'm gonna bring this to Ate. This is Ate's request. Taste test. Hurry up. There you go. How does it taste? How does it taste?
Excellent hands.
Lami?
You watch TV and
Huh?
you grow up, you can wait.
Rate from 1 to 10.
0.
Ikaw ba? Tama kay Canada. Rate from 1 to 10.
Negative 1.
Ikaw ba? Feel kay Canada. Hurry up, please! Do you like it? Asay mas lami? Saan mas masarap? Sa Macau Imperial or my milk tea?
Sa Inayawan Laray, VIP.
Ooh. I think Ate likes it, no? Thumbs up, te.
Okay lang.
Oh, filler. Filler kay Kate, no? Oh.
Give me a cheat.
Give me daw. Yeah. Sarap naman ang ulam ng mga dogs. This is the last batch. Tapos, kapag shop na ako ng foodie nila. Tapos, ayan pa yung iba. And then, this is going to be the last para, bukas. Ready na for tomorrow morning. Ayan. Here's the doggy's food. Dapat may rice because para hindi maging basa yung poop nila. Sa lolo?
Nagpundok ang nadhuay.
Nadira.
Tanaw.
I'm gonna look, wait lang. I'm gonna look at my Ming Ming. Uy, cute. Di makita. Look at my Ming Ming. That is Molly, Mia, and Mandy. Cannot see them. Mandy, where is Mia? Ayan si Molly. Mia! Ay, nandun pala si Mia. Nandoon sa sa ngit-ngit. Mia! Ay, nag-drink the egg water si Mia. Ka-cute. Hindi niyo makita, guys. Ang cute ni Mia. Nag-drink ng water. Ayan, oh. Mia! Ay, nag-drink kag water, Mia. Ay, Mama Mandy? Mama Mandy. Ka-cute ni Mia. Ay, nag-drink the water. Muodang nawala. At siyang pakaunan silang mawi, ha? Molly! Ayan, ganda. Oh. Molly! Uy, buto man niya smigil. Awi, nami. Awi. Ayan, kumakain pa yung mga Dodge. Konti na lang yung kay Miguel. Yan kay Maui, medyo marami pa. Slowly but surely si Maui. Si Miguel was in a hurry kasi nagwiwi siya doon. Yan, si Miguel. Awi! 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 Finish na, Miguel? Miguel! Miguel! Finish na, Miguel? Ang tama ng Miguel. Ano, Miguel? Awi! Hi, Miguel! Yan. Simot sarap na si Miguel. Hey, Miguel. Kiat-chukay na siya. Ayaw, no. Aray! What? So guys, I need to say good night now. Kasi gabi na. And I'm also going to take care of Rookie's problem. Kaya mag-good night na tayo. Kasi for sure, ang tagal-tagal naming matapos. I won't be able to say good night like the other or the previous vlogs. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day and a great day as always, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Yes, me.